Abstract. The word makes us think of theories, ideas, or concepts that have little to do with real life. This conversation is too abstract, or politics in the abstract, you might say. But in art, abstract means shape, color, and form, on a canvas or a piece of paper or in a gallery. How do we square the idea of abstraction with its actual existence? My name is Nesselrode Moncada, and I'm an art history professor at the Rhode Island School of Design. In the spring of 2022, I led an undergraduate seminar called Abstracting the Americas about some of these issues. Over the course of several months, 13 art and design students studied key movements, artworks, and practitioners of abstraction in North, Central, and South America, as well as the Caribbean. We asked ourselves, how can we redefine and reclaim the history of modern abstraction in the 21st century? This limited web series is the culmination of those discussions, and in true abstract form, it has not one but two titles. This is Untitled, Formas. Untitled suggests an absence of content, an exploration of purely formal concerns, and it references the very 20th century habit of declining to assign names to works of art. Untitled suggests escape, a resistance to categories, a willingness to remain undefined. Formas is the opposite. It brings us to the concrete, specifically the concretist movement that flourished in mid-century Brazil. The name is a reference to a 1951 oil painting titled Formas, or Forms, by the artist and educator Ivan Serpa. Formas is an experiment in non-referential form, a composition that gives us nothing in the way of figurative content, but which invites us to think about shapes and colors in the, well, abstract. Together, Untitled and Formas present two sides of the same abstract coin. I'm very proud to introduce this web series, which was entirely conceived, recorded, and edited by RISD undergraduate students in my seminar. Over the next 6 episodes, we'll look at art that rejects convention, that is indistinguishable from science, that pushes the limits of design, and which proposes new, queer models of living and being in the world. If abstraction is a process rather than an aesthetic, it's ultimately one about world building. And so I invite you into the abstract worlds that RISD students have built. This is Untitled Formas.